Hello and welcome to my channel The Coder. Today I will be discussing about some important platforms, coding platforms which will help you to increase your coding skills. If you are into competitive coding, then these platforms they will be a great support to increase your skills as well as enhance and increase your skills. So one such platform which I will be talking about today is HackerRank. HackerRank is one of the best platform which I seemed when I started my competitive coding. It is a very good platform for newbies. It is best because they can learn, they can practice, and even they can compete with other people. So let's get started with the HackerRank. Simply, you have to type on Google HackerRank as I have typed. So this will be the page that will open. Simply click on the first link that is there. If you are new to this page, then you need to sign up, and if you are already there, then you need to log in. For sign up, there is for developers as well as for companies. We don't have to do anything for the companies because that is for those who want to give us job. HackerRank is also a platform which provides jobs to millions of people. Okay, so if you are new to here, then you need to sign up and code. Enter your first name, email, your password, and create an account. It is a very simple platform. No need to know any new things. Simply you need to just sign up. And if you are already have signed your account as I have done, so I will just click on the login, enter my login details, and begin. So this will be the screen when I log in it. Since I have already been practicing on it, there are certain skills which you can see they have already marked, like here Java 44%, C 20%, problem solving 11%, which means that I have covered this much portion of these categories out of 100. Okay, so let us first come on the header section and discuss about. Here you can practice, that is all the skills they are being present, algorithm, C, Python, functional programming, databases, data structure, C, Ruby. They're also having interview preparation kit, which is very helpful for people who are going to give an interview. It can be practiced by anyone who wants to improve his or her skill. Then this is the certification section which HackerRank has launched before a year only. It was not there on HackerRank website before. So on this you can get certified for the skills you have. For example, Java, Python. You can take a 1 hour certification course. You will get some problems and you need to solve them within that hour. If you are able to solve them, then they will award you a certificate. If you are not, then don't worry, they will give you a chance again to give this test. That is to get your skills verified. Now, compete. Often we have heard that from people that they say that you should try competitive programming, you should do competitive programming, but from where they will not tell. So here it is, HackerRank. HackerRank also provides a compete section wherein there are many challenges which are open. So you can participate in them and even you can get rewards for that. Now come the job section, which is not useful for us right now because it provides jobs for people like senior stack developer having an experience of 5 years, 6 years, 10 years. So it's not useful for us. Then comes the leaderboard section. Every online coding platform website has a leaderboard which will tell you about your rank all over the country. Here you can have for the algorithms, that is the contest. Also, you're practicing whichever topic you are practicing, you can check out your rank from here. This is what the HackerRank website basically looks like. For a beginner, we just need to touch the practice section and work upon it. A simple layout or a simple tutorial which I would be giving for the Java section. Like if you want to solve any problem, I have already solved a lot of problems. So here you can just check out the status subdomains here. So I will just take the first problem here. Welcome to Java. If you are new to this programming language or you don't know anything about any other programming language, you don't need to worry. You just have to come here and they will teach you. Like, for example, if you don't know how to print a statement, they will tell you how to print a statement by writing system.out.println. So, in this, there is simple. This is your panel wherein you have to write your code, and after writing the code, you need to check whether your code is running correctly or not. So simply you need to click on run code. Congratulations, you have passed the sample test case. There are many samples here, only one sample case test case here that I have passed. Now after my sample cases have been passed, then I need to submit the code in order to check for the rest of the test cases. Since this particular program has only one test case, so it will check for that only. So congratulations, and then you can select for the next challenge. This is how it, if you are a newbie, if you don't know anything in competitive programming, then HackerRank is the best website to start doing your competitive programming and to have a great start towards it. So that's it for today video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, then please press the like button and do subscribe to my channel.